Sa lasa kong spicy. Sa lasa kong spicy.
Yeah, let's return, guys. I think we should go hide in our closet.
Lucas.
Electricity. Oh no, electrician! Rainbow skin.
Disgusting.
Oh, no, electrician, we need you.
Langgam.
Electrician, we need you right now.
Bye-bye, langgam. Bye-bye, langgam.
Rainbow, he's here. He's got it.
Ito, nalagay ko ng konti na spicy. Haluin mo. Ano maghalo? Ano maghalo? Hindi ka marunong maghalo. Halo-halo! Halo-halo! Para magaganda. Spice lang yan. Spice lang yan.
Parang sile.
Sile. Kung nilagay mo lang to, parang sile. Wait lang, amoy ko nga. Amoy ko. Wow! Wow! Talaga ko nga ganito.
Yeah, you're good, Alright.
Ginagawa namin to para makulaki namin. Alam namin paano magawa ng teaspoon.
Parang sa amin dalawa.
Yeah, parang sa amin na dalawa. Hindi kami magkapatid, mag-nephew kami.
Paano pagdating ng pinsan niya, parang
Hindi kami magkapatid, hindi kami magkapatid. Nephew ko siya, nephew ko siya. Ay no, okay na. Haluin mo. Mag-nephew kami, hindi kami magkapatid. Mukha mo magkamukha kami. Ako na lang halo. Halo-halo! Halo-halo! Ang nang. Ang ganda, sarap.
ang bango na, sarap.
Sarap. Okay
Parang
lang.
kinakain.
Okay lang dyan, okay lang yan. Kain mo tayo.
It's very, very challenging. I don't think we
One tayo.
Basahin ko na.
Tika ba?
Is it even near you though?
Sarap.
No. Should I go? Get out.
Isa na ang hangang.
Check
Di
the
ba nakain mo?
cat. Listen to Draco.
Ay, nangangaw.
The cat is, yeah, I shouldn't even listen to you. You're dead.
Ay, nainis ako.
The rest of the
Gan.
It's more. It's more. Hoy!
Broken. Sit out.
Ano?
I honestly
Pero,
don't think hiding in the closet works.
wala, hangang.
No way.
Extra hangang.
This is our last try.
Ito ay pancit canton, parang katulad sa papa ko.
Our dad is
Kailangan ng butas
Draco is
nito.
the technician slash gas refiller. And then once the monster
Lagay
gets
ko
out,
ganito kasi wala
Rainbow's the
naman eh.
technician.
Oh! Tae! Tae!
It's him.
Ito na yan yun. Ito na yan.
No. Hey.
Punasan mo, punasan mo, punasan mo.
You
Dito
are
punasan mo,
the
punasan mo dito.
okay? And then hopefully by that time,
Tae.
got it?
Kinali ka na, lika na.
Ano nga?
Bigat sa dito.
Wanti sa kami kataay.
What? I'm beside the generator.
Nililo na tayo.
Tumutae ko.
Mataay bata.
Open.
Mantae ko. Mantae.
Waltik sa may ko. Mantae ko na ibo. Wala ako.
Tumuta. Nabasa ng kamay ko.
Closing. Oh my gosh, I'm just circling it out.
Ay, go.
Ito ang ano ba sa tae.
Baka basta ata.
No, don't get out. Anyways,
Punta sa kami may tae.
to the next electrician.
Nasaan tae ito? Tama na yan, ubos na eh.
No, I give up.
Kahit mo ka dyan, usap ko sa viewers, basa ng kamero.
Guys,
Kuha ko tubig ah.
Sige. Ito ah. Ay, usap.
Mission President's Massacre fail. Big fail. We tried our best, but I don't think it is
Ito
possible.
guys, so. Sobrang hanghang.
Diana, stop. Diana, stop. Can't stop finger combing my hair with my new Palmolive Naturals. Now with 2 times coconut cream concentrate. Try the new Palmolive Naturals. Are you ready to pull off the biggest heist in history? Let's get filthy rich! Do I hear shopping spree? We're gonna make millions and zillions of dollars. Our objective, rob the bank without getting caught. Got it!
Wait lang guys.
5 minutes you left behind. Got it. Follow me. Follow the fidget, okay? What? And also, I'm no longer lunar. I am now called Fidget Pigeon. Because I don't fidget in front of cars. Pigeon. Fidget. Doesn't make any sense. Lunar, that's going to be hard for me to follow. FB for
Again.
sure. I was going to call you Lunar.
Ito na tayo.
Okay, but I thought you said we're robbing the bank. Why are we in the weapon store?
Tikman mo, Ate Amara.
Because you need a weapon to rob
Sige,
the
ma-
bank. Wait, you're
Ah,
going
go,
to go
go,
in
go,
the
go.
fence with knife. Guys, I only got
Sarap. Amoy nga sarap pero ang lasa hindi ko alam.
You know, we gotta get the money right here at this bank. See? This
Ang hindi
turn is
mahango.
empty. Perfect.
Lasahin mo.
Rob it.
Parang hindi mahango.
Ay, hindi makakaw.
Don't press that
Huwag mo kinain ng ano.
Wait. I'll protect the grand.
Ano
You
ba?
guys get the money. I'll get it going. Do not
Lagay
let
natin
that guy
ang hanggang.
I'm going-
Ay, lumalapit na sa akin ang hanggang.
Alright,
Lumalapit sa akin ang hanggang.
Why don't you point your gun at that guy?
Ano?
Nobody gets hurt, okay?
Okay lang, hindi naman nasa
Check
sa
it out.
akin.
Check it out. Go.
Diba? Sabuhin kita.
I got silver. I'm dropping it. I
Got-
got it.
Dahil lang.
And make sure to grab your bag, guys.
Nawawala
Ay,
ayos.
Look at that. Whoa.
Uminom ka ng tubig kasi.
Kind of intimidating.
Tingnan mo.
Mahangang.
Okay, I agree. Do not shoot Granny.
Mahangang. No, te, hindi ako bata.
Ay, yung bata.
Hindi ako bata. 9 years old ako.
Go.
Oh. No, ikaw magkain. Ikaw kumain.
Nay, bili ako.
Mahangang ako. Masarap lang eh. Subuhin kita. Subuhin kita. Ayaw mo?
Tapos na nga ako maibibili ako. Samahan mo ako bumili.
Kasi hindi mahangang ito kung hindi natin kaya.
We got you good. Let's run.
Halain mo kasi.
Alright, guys. How are we gonna
Sabihin
beat
mo
the
ganun.
world record heisting if you couldn't even pick up gold properly? I dropped it on,
Bili ka.
that was my bad. I dropped it on the truck. Come on, Lunar, where
Ito guys, so, tignan mo. Mabilis siya kumain.
Kanina pa ganito to eh.
The police to the right. Stop. You can't catch up real bad. You don't get to pay table.
Halo, halo. Hangang,
Hindi
hangang.
makita. Ano?
Hangang, hangang. Hangang, hangang. Halika na.
Thank you.
Oo nga.
I could not see.
Ako lang
I was
nahuhulog.
trying to see if the officer was okay. Okay.
Ulit sa baba ka na mahanggang na.
Who cares? They're trying to arrest us. That was robbers?
Konti lang ang noodles
Why do
dito.
we want our wanted to be really high though? Isn't that just because we want to get to 5
Andito ang mga noodles sa sides oh. Ayoko mahulog ang noodles kaya lagayan yung klan.
Yeah, we stop for a bit.
Ay, tapos kung kumain,
How is that cop
bibili
still
ka.
following us? That's gonna be a problem.
Hanggang hindi mahanggang kasi hindi natin kaya. Next time, bibili namin seafood. Seafood.
Ako guys, next night.
Next,
Ako na yung may ganito.
seafood flavor, mamaya. Mamaya
Mamaya
seafood.
guys, bibili kami.
Ng ganito pero seafood flavor. Kasi hindi namin kayang mahanggang eh. Pero,
I mean, if the cop is still chasing us out here, that is pretty impressive.
ah,
I don't want to waste ammo.
Pero
Okay,
kung
like,
open
well,
ko.
it's expensive.
no.
Kasi,
Yeah. Go back.
baka mahanghang.
We got our
Yeah.
first small plane. Ooh. Let's keep going, people.
Lighter.
All right, we got everyone on the vehicle. What is the point of the lighter? We take it.
This is the lighter.
Ito.
This small plane looks absolutely useless.
Dinuraan ko.
Well, when we collect more, we're gonna build like a beautiful fort on this truck. This is our truck now.
Nawaw na ako.
We just go city by city and we rob banks. Wait,
Ako next mabibili ng ganito.
do you see
Pero
that?
seafood kasi hindi niya kaya.
Hindi kaya ko yun.
Hindi mo kaya. Hanggang
Ano ko lang gusto nung ganito. Gusto ko yung tae.
Just use the track.
Gusto mong kain.
Tae.
Hi, NPC.
Pabili nga po
Sorry,
tae.
See, Pringle
That's
Bumps
my
was
guy.
wanted. Sorry. Hello, we're not
You
scared.
got money?
Hanggang
You got money.
Sorry,
Thank you.
guys. Guys, we're literally
Okay, I
robbers.
found this big
steal. Hi, I'm sorry.
kuha akong tubig sa baba.
It's all
Live
Gusto mo lagay ko tubig ang ano mo?
Lang.
Ito, gusto mo lagay ng tubig?
Gold, I have to. It's for
Sa tubigan.
Sa
the
tubigan?
car.
Saan
It's
tubigan?
for us.
Ang kulay blue.
Alright,
Kulay
hold
blue?
on, Rainbow. See,
Ano kulay blue?
that kind of works. You just like slide it.
Alright, everyone, get back in the truck. We're moving now. There you
Bitches,
go.
Lunar, I think there's a cop heading towards us.
Who cares? Bye.
Alright, Lunar, please
Maybe.
give a stop.
Okay.
We gotta check this out.
Maybe.
Ilagay mo ang cup
Thanks,
noodles.
driver.
Lagay mo ang cup noodles dyan.
See if we can
And it
Ito?
counts.
4
Hindi.
stars for what?
Akin na, akin
Get
na,
it
akin na.
back. Yeah, why are we
Cup
not
noodles.
doing?
Lagay mo dito.
Yeah.
I don't think we can still get
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Bili na ba tayo? Bili na?
Bili tayong iba.
Bili tayo?
let's go
Noodles
back.
ka?
Okay na yan.
Well, this doesn't
Nanakaw ko.
gross out.
Nanakaw ko lang
You
to.
just gotta
Okay
sit
lang
on
yan.
the truck.
Okay, that's all. Bye.